What if I told you a single strike could trigger a global chain reaction, not just militarily, but economically and scientifically? Well, that's exactly what just happened. Israel has launched Operation Rising Lion, a direct attack on Iran's nuclear infrastructure. And this isn't just war, it's science, it's technology, it's geopolitics on steroids. Why did Israel strike now? Iran was reportedly just months, maybe weeks, away from building a nuclear bomb. And guess what? The Natanz uranium enrichment plant, the heart of Iran's nuclear program, was one of the main targets. Satellite data, electromagnetic interference, high-energy bunker-busting munitions. This is modern warfare shaped by science. But the tech war didn't stop there. Iran's ballistic missile factories, air defense systems, and top military commanders were also hit, using a mix of AI-powered targeting and electronic warfare jamming. The goal? Cripple Iran's nuclear future before it becomes unstoppable. But now, global markets are on fire. Oil prices spiked, military satellites are being redirected, and world leaders are scrambling, unsure whether this is the start of World War III or just another covert war going loud. You know, in today's age, nuclear threats aren't just about bombs. They're about data, drones, surveillance tech, and energy strategy. And honestly, this strike just rewired everything. Here's the question for you. If nations can take out nuclear sites with scientific precision, is the next big war going to be won in the lab? Or on the battlefield? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I really want to hear what you think. And hey, if you love science and want India to lead the future, subscribe to @CEX24 right now. We break down tech, business, and science that shapes our world. This isn't just news, this is the future unfolding. Stay sharp, stay curious, stay with CEX24.